And I'm going to ask Emilio for number 2.
You have to do your math homework before you play video games.
I like have to. I'm going to put that.
Must.
You can also say must, but I like have to, as you said first, because that shows that the authority is coming from outside the person. So I do like that. You could also say must, but I prefer for that one have to as the answer, which you said first. Can Maurizio do number 3?
Sorry, number 3 is I can't wear my fancy dress to the wedding because the invitation say to wear formal clothing.
Okay, so I can't wear my fancy dress to the wedding. The invitation said to wear formal clothing. That's correct. And Nicholas, what's another possibility for number 3?
I must wear my fancy dress. No.
The negative. You picked the right one.
Huh?
You picked the right modal, must, but say it in the negative.
I mustn't wear my fancy dress to the wedding. The invitation said to wear formal clothing.
Okay, so you guys are both doing correctly. Santiago, can you answer number 4?
You can't drive a car without a driver's license.
Good. This one
license.
You got,
sorry.
You got it. You're faster than the car. You corrected yourself. Okay. You can't drive a car without a driver's license. You can also say mustn't, but I like can't, as Santiago said, because the authority is coming from the outside. And Marcelo, number 5.
I can't forget to pick up my clothes from the dry cleaners on my way home.
I like it. I like it very much. You can also say mustn't because it's an obligation you're putting on yourself, right? You're telling yourself, I mustn't. But can't is also good. It works there. And I'm looking at number 6 from Rodrigo.
In Canada, you can leave a tip at a cafe, but you do not have to.
Very good. And that's it. A quick question I want to ask you guys. In case I come to Lima or I come to Peru, is it customary to leave a tip for the waiter or the waitress?
No, it's usually.
Okay. And in Canada, Santiago or anybody, we give 15%. Is it the same in Peru, roughly?
No, it's the same.
Same?
Yes, it's the same.
Okay, 15%, roughly. Alexia, can you do number 7?
Okay, you mustn't have a membership to shop here. It's open to the public.
You know what? You have the right idea because you're going negative. I really like that you did negative. Try this one.
Okay. You don't have to have a membership to shop here. It's open to the public.
Very good. And in that case, it's because it's not obligated to have the membership. You don't have to have it. So you read the sentence very well because you went negative. And number 8, I'm going to look from Fernando. If Fernando can answer.
Okay. In this part of the hospital, people can't use their cell phones because it will interfere with equipment.
That's very good. Can't, I like because the authority is coming from the outside. But if you want to be harsher, like you want to say, no, you can't, very strongly, you can use mustn't as well.